Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer all your saved passwords from one Chrome profile to another, even if they aren't using the same email address. Since the accounts are different, you can't just use Chrome Sync. So here's how we do it manually. First, on your original profile, go to Settings. Next, click on Autofill and Passwords. Select Google Password Manager. On the left sidebar, click Settings. Look for the section that says Export Passwords, and click Download. This will save a .csv file to your computer. Now switch over to your new profile. We are going to do the same thing, but this time, instead of Export, choose Import. Find the file you just downloaded and click Open. Your passwords will be imported instantly. If any passwords get skipped, you'll see a notification pop up on the screen. I hope this helps you save some time when moving between Chrome profiles. Don't forget to drop a like to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.